What's up YouTube, it's WaveManMike, and today I'm about to show you how to get waves with straight hair using Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Alright, save your comments. Disclaimer, no, I don't have straight hair. No, however, I still have waves, and I still know how to get waves with the straight hair. So I'm going to share this information with you. So save your comments, because I'm just trying to help you out. So you don't have to go leave hate comments when I'm only trying to help you out. Alright, so remember what I said in my other straight hair video. If you haven't seen it already, I recommend you go watch it. But when I say straight hair, I mean straight for a waver. I don't mean like dead straight. I mean like it's a straighter texture of hair. One of the straighter textures that you can still get waves with. It's like a looser curl pattern rather than a tighter curl pattern. Something like Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie is going to help curl your hair up a little bit more. It's going to add some more curl definition to your hair, which you really need when you want to get waves. Because waves are curls that you stretch out and then lay down. When you brush your hair, all you're doing is stretching out the curls. And then when you get like a soft brush, you're laying those curls down on your head. Let me take a moment to show you what my waves look like. Not like a full tour of my head, but you know, quick peek. Actually, let me go ahead and grab another light right quick so the lighting can be better. Alright, got my other light. Let me put this up right here. Boom. Alright, let me show you what my hair looks like right now. Let me look in the mirror. Not too bad. I do need to do a brush session though, because I haven't brushed my hair since like 9 a.m. and it's 6 p.m. now, so about to do a you know brush session, put that work in. But yeah, so let's get into this. Alright, Curl Enhancing Smoothie is a natural product, meaning it's not like some of these pomades and greases where it uses the harmful bad chemicals. This uses all natural stuff. So the main products that it says on the front is coconut and hibiscus. And then if you want to do more research on it, you can see like it uses coconut oil, neem oil, I don't know, and there's like a whole list of ingredients right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they're right there. I mean, you could look up the ingredients on Google if you're really interested. But yeah, this is a really good product. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. That's what it looks like. You just take a scoop with your finger, all right? Then you rub your hands together, and you rub it in your hair the same direction that you brush your hair, right? This product adds curl definition, it adds moisture, it adds shine, makes your hair silkier, and keeps your hair healthy. So do I recommend this product? Absolutely. I definitely recommend this product. I'm not sure if I released it or not. I might have, but I'm not sure. I made a review on this product not too long ago. I'm not sure if I actually released it or not, or if I forgot to, but if I did, then go check that out, because I just said to. I mean, also, if you're watching this video right now, go ahead and like the video. Like, turn your phone right now. No point of wasting your time. Like, don't wait till the video's over. Like, just go like it right now. Like, right now. Like, you that's watching right now that still hasn't even liked the video or hasn't even turned your phone to like the video, just like it. Like, what's the big deal? Why can't you just spend 1 second of your time that you're already spending watching the video to just like the video? Go ahead and like the video. You like it yet? And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. I might be doing a giveaway real soon. If I don't do a giveaway real soon, then it's gonna be, you know, a couple of months away from now, maybe. But yeah, go ahead and leave some comments down below what I should give away. Should I give away like brushes? Should I give away some of this? I don't know if I'm gonna give away some of this. This is really expensive, but maybe a brush, maybe a do-rag, or maybe some of this. Wait, I'll be right back. This is a shampoo. This is the kids edition, but it still works just as good, if not better than the adult edition. And this is also, these are pretty much the same thing. This is like the kids version, but the only thing is I like this one a lot more because it doesn't make your hair frizz up. So I'll probably make a review on this, just like I made a review on that one. So you make sure to stay tuned on my channel. That's why I told you to subscribe. Go ahead and turn on the notification bell, so that way you can be updated every time I upload a new video. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is WaveManMike. Enjoy your day.